This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence. Welcome back to a new video, guys. Gonna be a cracker of a video. If you hadn't seen our last video, we were in Warsaw. We've been touring around the south part of Poland, and we have just arrived in Gdynia, and we're about to check into an awesome hotel. And then we're going to be checking out tomorrow Malbork Castle, one of Europe's biggest castle, if not one of the world's biggest castles. We're going to figure it out tomorrow.
Graham might have forgot to mention that me and baby are also here. We're here.
Yeah, sorry guys, this is Theodora.
Yeah, thanks. I'm Theodora, this is Graham. Babe, take the next right, we're checking in. Babe, where have we arrived? This is insane. Like, I didn't expect this. We're in the middle of Gdynia and we have arrived at a big yellow palace, is what I call it. I can't wait to look inside. Okay guys, we are all checked in. I've got the key card. How cool is the key card? Okay. First impressions, when you come in, you're straight away in the world influenced by Alice in Wonderland, which is actually what inspired the whole interior design. So every level is different. Every 12 suites in the palace, which is this section of the building, is different and is different design. So let's check into the room and see what it's like. There's like a different little world on each level. I wonder what our room is going to be like, babe.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, the interior is just fab, isn't it? Completely different again. Different wallpapers, exposed beams. We got some chocolates.
Ooh. You know you're at a good hotel when there's chocolates laid out for you.
Babe, this bar's got my name on it. Hello.
Wow.
And then what you could do here, babe, is sit here and feed me the chocolates while stroking my head.
Okay, you're pregnant, but you're not royalty. How cool is this door?
I love it.
Wow.
Well, this palace is actually quite a new hotel. And the hotel has been opened by two sisters, and they wanted to do something special, like an experience, like, you know, share their personalities in the hotel. As little girls, they read Alice in Wonderland, and they were inspired by that, hence the name Quadrille. They have created this whole different world, and you can see it everywhere in the hotel. There's just contrasts and quirkiness and cool art, and their portraits are here. So yeah, I love it. I love the whole Alice in Wonderland thing, babe. You know us, like, we're Disney fans. This is right up our alley, babe, isn't it?
This actually used to be a school for 50 years, and this room where we're standing used to be a
teacher's room.
Teacher's room.
Yeah, and now it's the ballroom. Oh, this is heaven. And just like that, you've got your own little retreat. Because bearing in mind, we are here in the middle of Gdynia. Now, if you've watched our previous season, you know that we are in between Gdansk, Sopot and Gdynia. So it's the part of the Tri-City. So even though you're really close to all that and the beach, you really are, it doesn't feel like that, like you really are in a retreat. Good morning, guys. It is the day that we're hitting Malbork Castle, but first things first, we need to check out the breakfast.
At the hotel, it's all about an experience at breakfast, not just a buffet. So we've got this whole tray of goodies. So half of this is actually vegan and the other half is non-vegan. And they make their own bread and in their own bakery downstairs. So that's super special. And the chef makes all his own jams and preserves. This is what I call a baby bump moon breakfast in style.
I'm happy you are happy, babe. Like, the breakfast is an important part of your experience of a stay, isn't it?
Okay, we've arrived at Malbork Castle, but before we go in and show you how cool this castle is, we want to say a massive thank you to our sponsors, Squarespace.
If you are not familiar with Squarespace, it's the all-in-one platform where you can build a professional online presence really quite easy.
They have award-winning templates, which means super easy to customize your website to your niche, whether it's photography, travel blogging,
podcasting, online shop, whatever you want, Squarespace will have it.
Squarespace has so many cool features that help you out on your website.
Features like connecting all your social media to your website so it's all integrated and organized. Loads of analytical tracking so you can really see what is working and you can grow your online presence and audience. Very important.
And if you do get into a little bit of trouble designing your website or customizing your website, then they have 24-hour, 7 days a week in-office support.
They're there to help you, get you up and running, have that online presence. Like we said, just even if it's for fun or for your professional work, these days it's like a CV, babe.
So thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and making it all happen. And yes, I have a little bit of a list because I still have my aligners in, guys. So sometimes I'm speaking with a list. Babe,
On that boat.
Are you ready to go in?
I am ready to go in, babe.
Let's do it. Okay guys, we've got the audio guide. It cost 10 slotties each, which is £2.
Yeah, that is
£2 each.
It included the audio guide. He said that we are only paying today for the audio guide with audio.
And we said the Malbork Castle was the largest, well, I thought it was the largest castle in Europe, but it's the largest brick castle in Europe.
The world.
In the world, yeah, sorry.
In the world, babe.
It's insane.
We're about to enter the castle, guys, but the audio guide is saying, you know, today is easy for us to walk in, but it wouldn't always be like that. The guards would be everywhere watching. There would be a drawbridge with loads of moats. There would be an iron gate there that could fall upon you. Luckily today we are safe, and he said, welcome to Malbork Castle.
Okay guys, we're in the rose garden of the castle, and I used to play the flute, I think, and the hurdy-gurdy.
Literally, it's called the hurdy-gurdy.
I used to say this word as a joke, like hurdy-gurdy-murdy, for like the Swedish people, totally like mocking them. But it's actually an instrument.
Oh yeah,
but I love the word hurdy-gurdy.
They used to love music, babe. They were partying up in the rose garden. Do I say about the cabbage leaves?
What about the cabbage leaves?
That's how they used to wipe their bums on the toilet. This whole tower is a toilet. The Grand Master's palace. So like the top dog's house. He had utmost comfort in the medieval. He had sewage and he had heating. So in there he would have his bedrooms, he would have banquets, and for medieval times, luxury and comfort. So I'm moving in there, babe.
Okay, and just like that, the audio tour is finished. I reckon that was about an hour long, wasn't it? Perfect timing, because old fat feet here can't walk 2 feet, can't walk 2 feet, can't walk too far. So
But she's awake, babe. She's up and kicking.
is she kicking?
Yeah, full on.
33 weeks pregnant today. She's kicking like crazy. Last night,
Oh my gosh.
you could feel her head right here. Can we?
And how often did she kick? Like you felt it, and it was just like.
She's just like, disco, good, good.
Okay, Graham and I are gonna hit up the spa, but we're taking a secret passage underneath the grounds to get to the outer building. So this is the spa area lobby. Gorgeous smell. I wish I could transport it. And for Graham, we have the fitness room.
All right.
With jellyfish. That's so cool.
Wow.
I
did not expect this at all. Jacuzzi right by the swimming pool, a dry sauna, and here we have a wet sauna. I don't think there's anyone here.
No.
Alright guys, there's some form of device down here, so I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. Whoa! Oh, it's jets! Okay, I've always wondered how you can have a swimming pool in your back garden and then do lamps, but it's just literally a jet. Okay guys, it is the end of the honeymoon, so we are going for dinner at this amazing hotel.
Well, this restaurant is really well known, babe.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I really wanted to do that. Oh my god, it really is amazing, the presentation, everything. It's just sad that I'm already excited about this dinner, but
This
just started
is the
with
best.
the bread basket.
The bread basket just wins hand down,
Like,
5-star.
it looks so good. Okay, it's official. We have started a culinary journey. From the woods, we have gone to the garden, and this is the amuse bush. We have pickled cabbage with flowers from the garden. Okay, babe. Oh wow.
And the culinary journey keeps on going, guys. I have ordered the lamb loin with broad beans and asparagus.
I have the pollock with a mussel sauce, but look at this presentation. There's gooseberries on there, there's mussels, grilled zucchini, baby cabbage, enoki mushroom.
Absolutely amazing, guys. We're gonna finish up our desserts, go down to the bar area, have a final drink, and then tomorrow morning we are off back home. The baby moon is over. Had a maiden stay in Poland and a whole Poland travel series. And what is next to come is the run up to baby being delivered on the 2nd of August. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Baby's coming. You're coming with us, and we'll be starting a whole new chapter to our lives. But for now, good night. Theodora is inside. She doesn't know that today is gonna be the surprise baby shower.